Welcome to Cashbag Online, where money speaks. In the digital age, making money online has become more accessible than ever, particularly through freelancing. Freelancing empowers individuals to leverage their skills and talents, offering services to clients around the globe without the constraints of a traditional office setting. The first step toward success in this realm is identifying your unique skill set. Think about what you excel at, whether it's writing captivating content, designing stunning graphics, or providing expert consulting. Understanding your strengths is essential because it forms the foundation of your freelancing career. It's crucial to define your niche in order to stand out in a crowded marketplace. Once you've identified your skills, setting up an online presence is the next vital step. Create a professional portfolio showcasing your work, highlighting past projects, and demonstrating your expertise. Utilize platforms like LinkedIn, Behance, or personal websites to present your talents effectively. This visual resume acts as a magnet for potential clients, providing them with tangible evidence of your capabilities. Don't forget to craft an engaging profile that reflects your personality and professionalism. A strong online presence not only builds credibility, but also instills confidence in clients considering your services. Finding clients is the lifeblood of freelancing. Explore platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer to home in on job opportunities that align with your skills. Pitch compelling proposals that address clients' needs and showcase how you can provide solutions. Remember, competition can be fierce, so personalization counts. Tailor each proposal to the specific job, demonstrating your commitment and understanding of the client's objectives. Additionally, networking, both online and offline, opens doors to new opportunities. Engage with communities within your industry, attend webinars, and leverage social media to connect and foster relationships with potential clients and fellow freelancers. As you start landing projects, delivering high-quality work is paramount. Exceed client expectations with your dedication and attention to detail. Building a reputation for reliability and excellence leads to repeat business and referrals, amplifying your income potential. Lastly, consider diversifying your income streams. Explore complementary services you can offer or passive income opportunities, such as creating online courses or digital products. By constantly evolving your strategy and adapting to market trends, you position yourself for long-term success in the freelancing world.